Welcome back to Auto Drive. Today we're diving into a legendary comeback, the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS in bold hugger orange. Let's see how Chevy's brought this muscle icon into the modern age. 1. Power and performance. Engine: 6.2 LLT2 V8 or whatever the official spec is. Horsepower: approximately 480 horsepower est. Torque: around 470 pound-feet. Transmission: 10-speed automatic or optional 6-speed manual. Drive type: rear-wheel drive, classic muscle car feel. 2. Exterior design. Body style: two-door coupe with aggressive stance. Dimensions: approximately 190 inches length, 75 inches width, 55 inches height. Wheels: 20 inches black chrome SS rims. Signature features: hugger orange paint, black racing stripes, LED lighting, retro modern grille. 3. Interior comfort. Seating: 4-passenger layout. Upholstery: premium leather with red contrast stitching. Luxury touches: heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, flat-bottom SS steering wheel. Trim: optional carbon fiber or wood inserts. 4. Technology and infotainment. 12 inches digital gauge cluster. 13 inches touchscreen infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium Bose 10-speaker system. Built-in navigation, 4G LTE hotspot. 5. Suspension and handling. Magnetic ride control. Independent front and rear suspension. Rack and pinion electric steering. Performance-tuned shocks. 6. Braking and safety. Brembo disc brakes all around. ABS, ESC, launch control. Full suite of airbags. Lane assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. 7. Bonus features: power sunroof, keyless entry and push start, cruise control with adaptive radar, dual zone climate control. Outro 10 seconds. The 2026 Nova SS blends American muscle heritage with today's tech and luxury. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and let us know, would you daily this beast or keep it as a weekend warrior?